What are you doing under here?
Dad, we're about to drive 3,000 miles. I don't want to pull the train like we did last time.
Oh, so you're putting some new oil in this thing?
I guess.
That thing looks nasty. Look at that oil.
Not that bad. What color
That's
is it
so
supposed to be?
Not that color.
Remember when I pulled that in Molly's truck and it was the e-brake?
Where does the oil go in at?
Right here, now it's radiator.
That's radiator fluid?
No,
So where does the transmission fluid go?
no, this is the radiator. That was close. I think it takes 3 quarts.
I don't know how many courses it take.
3.
He's helping us.
Well, he's not.
Look, he's trying to open it for you.
Well, he's not doing it.
You gotta get in that hole without spilling any.
What?
Yeah.
Wet hole.
The hole you took the plug out of.
Right there?
Yeah.
I spilled it.
There you go. Shove it in all the way. There you go. You having fun?
No.
Why?
Actually, it's kind of fun.
You're not a mechanic?
It's not something that I want to do in my life.
Why not? You'd rather pay someone to work on your cars? Ew, Hunter farted. Well, don't overfill it. That'll be really bad.
What?
Yeah, you don't want to overfill it.
Well, how do I know?
What do you mean? I thought you were the mechanic.
I'm not no mechanic.
You're the one
I'm
changing
10
my...
years
I
old.
was paying you to do this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We're driving you all the way to Washougal.
Yeah, I'm going to pay you that Washougal. I'm going to get on that box.
Said he's gonna get on the box.
Oh, frick. We have that on video.
Yeah. You don't like the taste of gear oil?
I mean, I love it. It's the best thing ever.
Oh, you're spilling it. You're spilling. Dude, that's like $2 worth of oil right there. You're spilling all our oil.
What?
Yeah. Hey, did you lose the drain plug for this yet? Where is it?
I actually don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I actually don't know.
Where's the drain plug?
Dude, I don't remember touching it.
Who took it out?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
I hate batteries. Like, I'm terrified of them. They're just scary.
I don't drop my ratchet in that oil.
I hate this.
What sucks?
This.
What?
Everything.
What?
This is the worst job ever.
Why?
Oh my gosh.
Did you drop my ratchet?
Yeah, but it's not in there. Dad, do you want to go pit bike riding?
You want to go pit bike rock crawling?
I'm going to go inside
What?
after this.
You don't want to go pit bike rock crawling?
No.
Why?
I want to throw this at you.
I'm waiting.
Throw it at you?
No.
Done?
You did a great job.
Yeah.
What else are we gonna change on this trip?
The air filter.
All right, well, show me how to do it then. Where's the air filter at?
So, the air filter.
Yeah, where's the air filter?
The air filter is like.
What does the air filter
Like,
do?
I know
What does the air filter do?
Gives us air.
It just—that's all it does. Just gives it air. You don't know what a filter is?
No.
Go. Where's the air filter at?
I don't know. It's like.
Get,
I don't know.
take it out of the box. I don't know. You point right to it and tell me what you think is the air filter.
Oh.
Don't let it get dirty.
What?
You can't let it get any dirt on it. Do.
It's right there. I'll unlatch it.
What else might be? Oh, there you go. Look at you just figuring it out. I don't even have to tell you. So strong.
If you said I'm not supposed to get any dirt on it, then that's pretty bad.
Yeah, I know, right? Look at that dirty, nasty air filter. Think we should clean in here, or is it probably fine?
It's probably bad.
Okay, it only goes in one certain way.
What?
Yeah, you think that's right?
Oh. Let me figure it out.
You figured it out? Look at you, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Oh. I'm so...
You're doing really good. There you go. There you go. Like a pro.
I'd be a pretty good mechanic.
Yeah, isn't it fun?
No, not really.
High five.
That would fire.
Okay, send it.
How much?
All of it.
Oh no.
Wait, you didn't start the car for me. You're a big wimp. I need a paper towel on my hands. No, no, no.
Yeah.
No.
I don't need your towel. I just need your shirt.
I don't even use those things.
Did I ask?
Oh no. You broke it. Now it's knocking. Did you hear it? Why is my car knocking? Must have probably messed it up.